friends, today I have another story called Pete the Cat, except it's Pete the Kitty instead of Pete the Cat. So before we read this nice story, please subscribe. Pete the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Aw, look at Pete the Kitty. He was so cute when he was little. Pete the Kitty has a bad case of the hiccups. He doesn't know what to do, so he asks his pals for help. Will Pete the Kitty find a way to get rid of his hiccups? Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot and hops up and down. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh my God, look at that. Like, blap. That's kind of funny. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, sings a song. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh my God, look at that weird mess. Bad mess. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. Take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. No, first he takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits. Oh, I like this part when after the two waits, another wait. I like that when he's peeking his head and his eyes are like. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Yes, because we realize that moms are so smart because his mom said that if you take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, that'll stop his hiccups. Normally, there are two ways. One, drink some more water. Two is doing the same thing what Pete the Kitty did. That's the end of our cute little story. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the story. Well, if you love it, subscribe to my channel.